Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Splunk Enterprise 9.3 on Windows operating systems. Go to Splunk official website, that is splunk.com. See, I am already there. So click on free Splunk or products, then click on free trials and downloads. Then see here we have the Splunk Enterprise. So click on get my free trial and also see here try indexing up to 500 megabytes per day for 60 days. No credit card required. Okay, just click on get my free trial. Here we have to fill all these details. Okay, once we provided all, then we have to check these two checkboxes. Then we will be able to click on create account. Now it is grayed out. Okay, then select both checkboxes, then click on create your account. See here a verification email has been sent to you. Okay, so go to the provided email and verify the email address. Go to mail. See here I have received this email. So click on verify your email or copy this link and paste in the web browser. Okay, both are fine. Also see here this link will expire in 1 hour. So click on verify your email. See, verification is success. Now see here we have received this download page. See, we have the MSI file for Windows 10, Windows Server 19 and 22. And for Linux, we see here we have the RPM and Debian packages. For Mac, we have the .dmg file. Okay, so we are going to install Splunk 9.3.2 on Windows machines. So click on download now. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 671 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on this MSI file. Select this checkbox to accept the license agreement. Then click on next. See here we have the customize options. If you don't select this customize options, it will install the default options. See here it is going to install Splunk on this location. Run Splunk Enterprise as a local system account. Create a shortcut menu. Okay. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on next. Or if you want customize options, click on customize options. If you want to change this location, click on change. Then set the path. I am okay with the default one. If you have domain account, you can select. Otherwise, keep local account, local system account. Next, now create the administrator account. Remember this account and the password. Then click on next. I don't want to create, so click on install. See, installation has been started. See, installation has been completed. Now keep this checkbox launch browser with Splunk Enterprise. Splunk Enterprise. So keep as it is and click on finish. See, Splunk runs on the port number 8000. Instead of enter this URL, you can give localhost because it is installed on localhost n. Then give the 8000. Hit enter. It will also redirect to same page. Now provide the username that we have created. Then click on sign in. Both links are same. Okay. See, we have successfully logged in. See here on the left side we have search and reporting, secure gateway, upgrade, readiness app and find more apps. Okay. And see here we have the bookmarks, dashboard, search history, recently viewed and other options. If you want to change the password, click on administrator, then account settings. See, this is the user full name and you can provide the email and you can provide old password, new password. Okay, but username is R2 schools only. Then you have to click on save. Again, if you want to go back, click on Splunk Enterprise. If you want to manage apps, you have to click on here. If you want to add data, click on add data. See here we have different options. You can go through. If you want add team members, you can click on here. You can create the user. See, we have one user, that is R2 schools and it is admin. Okay, so click on new user, then provide all the details. Okay, and these are the roles that we can assign. Okay, then we have to click on create. If you want to add data, click on add data. Click on dashboards. See, you don't have any dashboard, choose a home dashboard, then select any one of these options. If you want to see information about Splunk, click on about. See, we have installed Splunk 9.3.2 and these are the trademark information. Suppose if you stop Splunk service, it won't work. Go to services.msc, press S. See, here we have the Splunk D service. Suppose if you stop it, click on stop. See, Splunk D service is stopped. Now if you go to this page, see, it is disconnected from the server. Even if you reload, see, you cannot connect. Okay, see, the site cannot be reached. So start it again. Right click on it, start, or click on the start or start. All three options are same. See, service is started. Now go to this page and reload again. Now again provide username and password. See, this is the one way. We can also connect by using loopback IP, that is 127.0.1:8000. It is the port number for this Splunk. Hit enter. See, we got the same console. The other way is by using hostname. Open CMD, type hostname, copy it, paste here, give the colon, give port number 000. See, we got the same. The other ways we can connect by using IP address. See, this is the IP. Hit enter to select. Go to new tab, paste it, 8000. See, you got the, see, one is with localhost, then loopback IP, host name, and IP of the machine that we have installed Splunk Enterprise Edition. After installation, remove the downloaded file. It is not required anymore. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Splunk Enterprise Edition 9.3.2 on Windows operating systems. For more Splunk tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.